Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the lock is in its resting, unlocked position so parts don't bind. Use a screwdriver to remove the trim and screws. Keep them organized in a container. Once the faceplate and strike are off, inspect the cylinder for corrosion or broken pins to decide if you need a replacement. You'll need lubricant and the correct size cylinder. Having a pick set helps free seized tumblers. This gets you immediately into the mechanism, so you can diagnose the core issue. Now you withdraw the cylinder and look at the cam, pins, and springs to see what's failing. If you see bent parts, heavy rust, or a fractured tailpiece, that explains sticking or non-turning keys. Once done, clean debris with compressed air and a light solvent, then dry so lubricants adhere properly. Make sure to avoid overoiling the pins. If pins are damaged, replace them individually. If the body is scored or warped, swap the entire cylinder for reliable operation. Reinstall the cylinder and tailpiece, aligning the cam and seating the cylinder fully before tightening screws evenly so you don't warp the housing. Then test with each key and cycle the lock 20 to 30 times to let pins and lubricant settle. This verifies smooth operation under real use. If you still feel binding, make sure the strike plate and door alignment are correct, and add a thin shim or file the strike slightly if needed. That one troubleshooting step fixes most persistent sticking problems.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.